As we were talking earlier, that coaching is a very essential part of sales training. But as so much as we can benefit from the proper coaching, it can be more damaging if the coaching is not done properly. Let's see one coaching session, and then you will tell me what will be the effect of this type of coaching.
Oof.
Good morning, Ravi.
Good morning, sir.
Slightly late.
It's okay, sir.
And how's the work going on?
It's fine, sir.
It's already 10. Let's discuss about market visit of the last week.
Yes, sir.
Then you can go for your beat. I have to discuss something with the distributor.
Okay, sir.
Okay, take out your reports, etc.
Yes, sir.
What is this, Ravi? You have mentioned big figures in target planning sheet, but achievement is nil. Ravi, one should be always practical in life.
Yes, yes, sir. I have done according to target merchandising and distribution plan. Sir, please have a look. Where am I making the mistake?
Okay, we will see that too. But first, we discuss about our market visits of last week.
Okay, sir.
Ravi, it was good that I have gone with you on market visit last week. After seeing your sales calls, I have thoroughly understood that why your performance is going down.
But why, sir? I am trying my level best.
Ravi, it's not the case of trying, but it is the case of achievement. I have noted that you didn't even show the product detailer. Whatever he said, you booked the order and proceeded ahead. You were doing the stock checking by guess only. And yes, retailers incentive for that too. Retailers have complained.
Sir, I have forwarded the incentive details to you, but you have said that you will discuss it later.
Then even this is my mistake. Great. You have forwarded it. But who will follow up? Ravi, I don't like this negligent attitude of yours.
But sir, as far as stock checking is concerned, I don't go inside those 4 shops because the retailers have told me that whenever there is crowd in the shop, I should not go inside the shops for stock checking. They themselves will tell me about the stock.
Ravi, again the same talk? Again you are not ready to accept your mistake? By accepting own's mistake, nobody get belittled or bigger. Always remember this thing. If you have to progress in life, then you will have to forgo this type of thinking.
What, sir?
Okay, I almost forgot this. Your merchandising was also not visible at any shop. And perhaps you haven't noticed it, but I have got the idea of all the shops on your beat in single visit.
I don't understand, sir.
Oh, did you see the merchandising of other companies at these shops where you supply stock? Competition has done such a good merchandising. Company has given you posters, stickers. Why don't you put them?
Sir, these companies give some fixed amount to these retailers for shelf merchandising.
Now you will say that you have sent me details of merchandising proposal in a mail 2 months back, right?
Yes, I had sent that.
Then Ravi, you will not take any action till the approval from the boss comes, isn't it? Now listen to me carefully. Next week when I will come for the market visit, then I should see merchandising of Godrej on every shop. If shelf merchandising is not happening, then at least posters, stickers, etc. should be there.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And what more we had to discuss?
Sir, those new outlets.
Yes. Tell me, you have opened how many new outlets?
I have opened 4.
Your target was 6, right?
It's 4 right now.
And rest 2?
Sir, I'll try this week.
Okay then. 2 from the last week and 6 of this week. Keep target of 8 outlets this week.
Sir, these new outlets have opened because of the references from older shops. And I have spoken to almost 30 outlets. Then these 4 were opened.
And what have the rest said?
Sir, sometimes owner is not there. Sometimes they say come later.
Oh, Ravi, opening new outlet is the simplest job. Do you know, when I was in sales, I used to open 5 outlets in a single day.
Really, sir?
There's nothing to be done. Tell retailer about commission and schemes. Order a little stock. Put the posters and new outlet is open.
Yes, sir.
And pay some attention to range selling. It won't do any good selling number 1 only. Now go to your beat and pay some attention to whatever you have been told.
Okay, sir.
Now you must have understood that where you were making the mistakes. Hmm. Next time when I come for the field visit, then these mistakes should not be repeated.
Okay, sir.
And Ravi, when you go to the market, you should go with some confidence and motivation. Okay? We have to work together like a team and have to achieve the targets of this month.
Yes, sir.
Best of luck.
Thank you, sir.